Hi, I'm Anthony from MediaRadio. MetaRadio version 2.6 has just been released, and I wanted to take a few minutes to show you through some of the new features. This is a big update, and it includes all sorts of new features such as web access, live overrides, message scheduler enhancements, and also new ways to send images to your output systems. Radio competes for listener attention like never before. In the car, in the home, and on mobile devices, there are so many audio entertainment choices that people can pick from. Radio needs to make sure it's sending out metadata reliably and at high quality so that it can be discovered on all these platforms, and so listeners are engaged and keep coming back. Car dashboards have shown song title and artist via RDS for many years now, but now there's a whole heap of connected car platforms, as well as streaming platforms and apps that you need to be sending your station's data to. There's also revenue opportunities you can unlock, being able to sell the visual real estate on car dashboards. MetaRadio 2.6 gives you as the broadcaster more control, more flexibility over your metadata. We want to put you in the driver's seat. When you upgrade, take the time to ask yourself these few questions to make sure you're getting the most out of MetaRadio. Ask yourself if you're using the message scheduler to unlock new revenue opportunities. Consider selling customized text and images for your advertisers. Check if you're sending metadata to connected car dashboard systems, such as DTS AutoStage and Radio Player. Ask yourself if you've got images as well as text attached to all your station promos that you're running on RDS and digital radio. You can use the message scheduler to achieve this. If you've got a HD radio system, make sure you're using the HD radio artist experience. This lets you send images over the air that show on car dashboards alongside your audio and text. Now let's take a quick look at some of the new features. The first big feature is web access. This feature allows you to access MetaRadio from anywhere via a web browser. You don't need to do port forwarding or VPNs. We run a secure service so that you can log in via your email from anywhere with a web browser. Web access is going to make it really easy for your traffic team to use the message scheduler to update messages day to day. The next new feature is live overrides. This lets stations log into a web page and enter in the title and artist of what's currently playing. Really useful if you're playing audio off alternative sources, such as turntables or CDs. We've been enhancing how we handle images in MetaRadio. Version 2.5 last year added the image library, so you can attach images to HD radio. Now we're expanding this to other outputs, so you can send images off to services like DTS AutoStage, your website, and streaming and mobile platforms. There's also a new feature so you can check and override the images that are matched from online databases for your music cover art. This will mean that you can go through and check which images were matched, pick an alternative, and even see which images didn't match so you can upload one yourself. We've also enhanced the message scheduler, so you've now got more flexibility about how you send messages out to your RDS and digital radio from MetaRadio. So we've added options so that you can choose to target a message to specific tracks, so it will only display that message when a specific track is playing on air. You can build flexible rules to do this. We've also enhanced the options so that you can have messages displaying at any time, and you can choose the timing parameters around that. Some stations are choosing to sell ads during a song, so you might set it up so there's 30 seconds of now playing data, 30 seconds of the advertising content, and then the remainder of the song it shows the now playing metadata. We're trying to give you flexibility so you can create as many of these messages as you like, you can target them however you like, and ultimately you can be in control of what you're displaying on car dashboards. Those are the major updates to MetaRadio. There's also dozens upon dozens of smaller changes. We've got lots of new systems you can connect to. For example, you can send playlists to NPR Composer now. You can connect into Breakaway CD and receive the metadata from that CD player whenever you're playing tracks off a CD. We've got new automation systems, new streaming systems, Using ACR Cloud, you can upload audio from your computer to enhance their fingerprinting database. Plenty of little enhancements. There's something in there for everyone. So please go to mediarealm.com.au, grab the latest version. There's a free trial available if you're new to MetaRadio and you haven't used it before. Please grab the trial. And if you need support or if you have feedback, please get in touch with us at Media Realm at any time. We're here to support you and empower you as broadcasters and give you the tools that you need to be able to succeed in 2026 and beyond.